Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today we are working with thinkers here, and you know that I already played with these thinkers and they are so lovely to work with. So I am today with you creating something unique. So I have mixed Resincrete here, and I'm mixing resin here and Resincrete together, and Resincrete contains water. Last time I made this and you all were so amazed, so I thought this time it's going to be crazy again. So yes, I'm mixing two compounds together. So it's Resincrete, water, and resin. And I'm pouring this into the thinkers here. And before that, I made a whale. So here above, you will see the video that I'm talking about. The whale is perfect. There is no issue with the curing or anything. And I can't see any water moving here and there into the resin. And you will see with these also. So here I'm combining both of them. You can see. And in this way, I'm going to fill all three of them. And you will really enjoy seeing them because this is going to be a very lovely sort of project regarding the Christmas, or you can make them without Christmas also. So currently I will be doing here what you are seeing me. A little bit of Resincrete, a little bit of resin, a little bit of Resincrete, and Resincrete actually is a eco resin where there is powder and binder combined together, and you just add simply water. So this is the product here, Resincrete. And for mixing the Resincrete, you just need 3 grams of water to 10 grams of powder. So I'm going to fill all of these. So here I'm adding some quartz crystal to these thinkers because I want a meaning behind them. So that's the reason I'm doing that. And after that, I will leave this to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. I'm going to demold them in front of you, although you can't see the crystal because they are transparent white, but they are quartz crystal into them. You will see why I did that in a moment. Just let me demold all of them. So they are out of the mold, and these are the wings. Yes, I'm going to make angels here, and so that's the reason I'm using these wings. So you can put the wings as it is, but I just split them into two because I want them to be on an angle. So this is how they are looking like. I'm just going to show you that how you can put simply just add a glue gun and add to the back like this, or in this design also they are looking pretty. And now you can leave them white also, but you know me, yes, I'm not that simple. I'm going to do something different, so just showing you that how I want them to be. So here I'm just checking the areas, but before that, and my golden paint is out, and I'm going to paint the wings into a golden color. You can paint them into silver and you can leave them white also. You can paint white glitter on top of them, but you know, all of you know, I think for now, that I'm a golden person and I'm going to color them in a gold color. So this is what I will be doing to all three of them. And after that, I will leave this to dry. So these are all dried now, and now I'm going to put them. So I'm taking out my hot glue gun and I'm going to, now you can use UV resin also, but I'm going to use this glue gun, and I'm going to put wings on all three of them now. So after adding the wings, I was thinking and watching them that should I have to add any gold, anything more to them, but I don't think so. This was the final step and we will see how they look like. So this is the final look. Yes, I didn't add any gold to any other area other than the wings, and I just kept them simple. And actually my daughter was near me and she was telling me that you don't have to put any gold on each one of them. They are the one that stopped me for putting more gold onto the items. She was saying me that you should leave them because they have some, let people imagine. So that's why I just left them like that. So do let me know in comments what you think, that should I have add any more gold color or something else, or they are perfect like that. I think they are perfect, peaceful, and that's the reason now why I added the quartz crystal. I wanted to give them some meaning. I just love these molds. There are so many possibilities with them. You can make so much with them and they are really amazing. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.